Hello everyone. Teaching aid plays an important role in teaching learning process. In order to make lesson more interesting and to create interest among students, usually we do prepare teaching aids in classroom, and definitely we get very good result by using teaching aid. I have prepared teaching aid on tangent to a circle, and I am just going to explain you the concept of this teaching aid. I have prepared subject mathematics. I have used biodegradable, or let us say recycled materials. The length drawn from outside the circle and the length drawn from outside the circle of these two tangents are equal. I am just showing you. Place the cooker ring on the cardboard, then place these two sticks and join the OA. Now we have two triangles, and these two triangles we can prove by using the congruency theorem RHS. Radius equal in these two triangles, then OA is common side, and obviously radius is perpendicular to tangent. So by RHS congruency these two triangles are congruent, therefore the length drawn from outside the circle, the tangent length, are of equal length. Now this teaching aid can be used even in lower classes and very useful. Let us say circle. Now we can explain the concept of diameter, concept of radius, let us say concept of triangle, right angle triangle, then angle in a semicircle, then concept of chord, longest chord, diameter is longest chord, then minor segment, major segment, then sector, minor sector, major sector concept also can be explained. Then we can explain the concept of semicircle, then quadrilateral, see the quadrilateral OBAC. So various terminology related to circle we can explain even in lower classes, and moreover the cost of this teaching aid, let us say around 30 rupees, and then time taken by, let us say, half an hour, less than half an hour we can prepare. And real applications, practical applications we can see also. As a part of a campaigning, a huge balloon with a message can be displayed. Message में हम डाल सकते हैं कि National Science Day from the terrace of a tall building with the help of two strings kept at an angle. Similarly, development of rainwater harvesting, bringing water from terrace of a building and triangular space developed as a garden. So very useful teaching aid, let us say, and then easy to carry, easy to prepare, easy to maintain also. And then as I said, I have used biodegradable or recycled materials as well as cost factor also. So in various fields we can use this, and we can explain the students to the let us say the terminology related to circle. So this definitely help to students and increase the level of interest in students. Thank you very much.